Welcome back. Today, we're going to explore 10 powerful Canva features that will help you design more easily and improve your skills much faster. Stay with me till the end, and you might discover tools you've never used before. Expand background. Open Canva and select Presentation. Then go to Elements and choose the image you want to include in your design. Resize the image. You can see it doesn't fit the frame. To fix this, go to Edit, then click on Magic Expand. Select Whole Image, then click Expand to continue. You'll see 4 image variations that fit the frame. Select the one you prefer and click Done. If you don't like the result, you can click Generate New Result to try again. Half fade text. Go to Text, click Add a heading, and enter your text. From here, you can change the font style, increase the text size. Now click to change the text color. Select a gradient option. Choose this gradient style. Choose this gradient style. Then click the plus icon to add 4 white color boxes. Delete the first color. Now select the first box. Open More Settings and drag the slider all the way to the end. Repeat the same step for the second white box. You'll notice the text starts fading from the top. If you want the fade effect from the bottom instead, just use the white boxes from the opposite side. And watch how I do it. Blur background. Choose the image you want to blur in the background, then duplicate it. Now select the original image. Click Edit, and under the Tools section, click See All. From here, select Blur and increase the intensity level. Next, position the copied image properly in the frame. And apply Background Remover. And now, your design is ready with a clean, blurred background. Real shadow. Choose the picture you want to apply a shadow effect to. Click Edit. Under the Tools section, click See All. Open Magic Grab. Select your image. Click Grab to separate it from the background. Once it becomes movable, click the plus icon to duplicate it. Move the duplicate slightly to one side. Now select the original image. Go back to Edit. Scroll down to Filters. Click See All. Then scroll further until you find Duotone. Open Custom. Click the Highlights color box. Change the color from white to black. reduce the transparency level, depending on how soft or dark you want the shadow. Finally, position your main image over it, and your shadow effect will look clean and realistic. Add outline. Choose the image or element you want to add an outline to. Duplicate it by clicking here. Now, remove the background. Make sure the background removed image is selected. Go to Edit. Scroll down until you find Shadow. Click See All. Select the Outline option. Scroll down to access the outline settings. Click on the color box to change the outline color. Adjust the outline size by moving the slider. Control the intensity using this setting. Text replace. Choose any image with text. Open Edit. Under the Tools section, click See All. Scroll down until you find Grab Text. Click on it. Canva will automatically detect and highlight the text in the image. Once the text is selected, click Grab to separate it from the background. Now you can freely edit it, replace it, or remove it as needed. This feature makes it really easy to customize text inside any image. Move objects from your image. Choose the image where you want to move or reposition objects. Open Edit, go to the Tools section, and click See All. Scroll down until you find Magic Grab. Open it. Now, click on the object you want to select. Click Grab. Your selected object is now separated and fully movable, so you can place it anywhere in your design. Set image in frame. Take any image you'd like to use in a frame. Open Elements, search for frames. Click See All to explore the available options. Choose the frame you like and add it to your design. Now drag your image into the frame. It will fit automatically. If you want more control, double-click the image to adjust its position. Resize it by dragging the corners. You can also use the lock icon to keep it fixed in place. You can remove the background, enlarge the image, and adjust it properly to create a more appealing design. Text behind objects. Choose the image where you want to create a text behind elements. Add your text from the text section and resize it according to your design. At first, you'll notice the text appears in front of the elements. To place it behind, duplicate the image and remove the background from the copied version. Now your text will appear behind the objects. This is the first method. Now for the second method. Open Edit, and under the Tools section, click See All. Scroll down and select Magic Grab. Choose the elements you want to separate. Then click Grab and wait for it to finish. Once it's done, the selected objects become movable and separate from the background. This makes it much easier to place text behind them using layers. Text, outline, effects. Select the image you want to use. Then go to Text. Add your desired text. Customize the font style. Adjust the size to match your design. Now duplicate the image. Remove the background from the copied version. This will allow you to place the text behind the picture. After that, duplicate the text. Go to Effects. Apply the hollow style to create a clean outline effect.